Hello everyone, welcome to the portal of EarthaPoint, which is courses.earthapoint.com learn. And here on this portal, beta, you can go ahead and have a look at various categories of courses, which is IIT JAM, CUET, MA Economics, DEPR, DU semester courses, and whatnot. If you click on DU semester courses, you will be able to see the various courses on the portal which are available to you. A lot of these courses are an initiative of EarthaPoint, which means that we are not charging any fees, beta. This is only the portal fees, in which you have introductory mathematical methods for economics, introductory microeconomics, introductory statistics for economics. Then you have intermediate microeconomics, semester 3, intermediate microeconomics, macroeconomics. This is a paid course. Only this is for 5,000. So you can clearly see that in the paid course, if you click, you will also go ahead and get access to various assignments, and you will get access to various other concepts also. So you see here, you also have additional lecture, you have notes, you have assignments. Everything is part of the paid course for all the subjects. You can see past year papers being solved. You can see past year papers being solved and important numericals being discussed in the paid course. So this is a paid course, which is for macroeconomics. But if you go ahead and if you look into the other courses of DU economic semester, they are available for no fees. This is only the portal fees that we are charging. Similarly, if you go ahead and you look into the 5th semester, game theory is a paid course in which we are solving various problem sets also. But other than game theory, other courses like economic growth and business cycle, like introductory development economics, these are all the initiative. Only portal fees is being charged. And if you go ahead and you look into this introductory development economics, you can see that I have gone ahead and I have covered a lot of the course, even though it is an initiative. You can see that unit 1 is completely covered. You can see that unit 2 is covered, and you can see that unit 4 is also completely covered. In unit 3 also, we have covered one chapter. So this is the link to our portal. You can go ahead, you can have a look at the various courses. Similarly, if you go ahead and you have a look at the IIT JAM courses, here you will be able to see the different mock test series for IIT JAM that have been launched. At the same time, you will be able to also see the question bank for CUET, which has been now launched, and you will be able to see the different other courses also, right? These are only few of the courses, beta. We do provide more courses also. These are the courses which you can directly access. But if you want a full-fledged course on IIT JAM or a full-fledged course on MA Economics entrance or a full-fledged course on Indian Economic Service, you can always contact Rohit sir, and he will go ahead and he will talk about the different courses that we have. So I just wanted to quickly show you the portal of EarthaPoint, and all of you can go to this portal and you can have a look at different courses. Okay, beta, thank you. Beta, today we will go ahead and we will look at the important questions from Unit 2 plus Unit 3 of Development Economics. All important questions from Unit 2 plus Unit 3 for Development Economics. But first of all, Unit 3 is very, very simple, the type of questions that can be asked. They can simply go ahead and ask you any growth model. So they can ask you what is a linear growth model, right? They can ask you Rostow. They can ask you Harrod-Domer. Harrod-Domer pe beta, I have covered Harrod-Domer model. I think in only 10-15 minutes the entire model can be done. So वो एक बारी video lecture, just have a look at that. उसको अच्छे से कर लेना. Then they can ask you Lewis model. This is also very important from the point of view of exam. So do this very, very well. ये दोनों बहुत ही important हैं. ठीक है, so this is one type of questions that can be asked in exam, in which they ask you different kind of models. ठीक है, the next thing that can be asked in exam, that is basically the type of different revolutions. So for example, what is international dependence revolution. Usually बेटा डेविको में what they will do is they will give you some statements, ठीक है, and they will say justify, elaborate. तो ऐसा भी क्वेश्चंस बहुत आता है कि they give you a statement, they ask you justify the statement, elaborate the statement, ठीक है, so you need to do that. Here they can ask you what is false paradigm model, ठीक है. अगेन बेटा ये आपको अच्छे से डिटेल में करना है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अगेन इस पे I have made a detailed video कि what is false paradigm model, what is dualistic development theory. हाँ, इस पे please go ahead and do this from the video lectures. Detailed answer is present in the video lecture. Now they can also go ahead and they can also give you some statements. ठीक है, तो statements किस तरीके की statements आ सकती हैं? So for example, if I give you a statement like this, that each of the approaches in understanding development has both pros and cons. Discuss, ये statement दे दिया, and then I say discuss the contribution of different theories या different classical theories in explaining development process. है ना? तो ये तरीके का क्वेश्चन भी एग्जाम में आ सकता है जिसमें आपको सारा थ्योरीज को यू हैव टू गो अहेड एंड यू हैव टू कंपेयर, है ना. एंड इसमें व्हाट यू कैन डू इज बेटा यू कैन रेफर टू सेक्शन 3.6 ऑफ द बुक. इसमें क्या किया गया ना कि हमने जितना भी थ्योरीज पढ़ा है, वॉट एवर थ्योरीज वी हैव स्टडीड, इट हैज गॉन अहेड एंड इट हैज कंपाइल्ड द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ दोस थ्योरीज. सो यू कैन जस्ट गो अहेड एंड डू दिस, ठीक है. अच्छा, then one more thing which I have done, and again you can refer to the this to the lecture notes that I have done. What is neoclassical counter revolution? ठीक है, इसमें अगेन दे कैन गिव यू स्टेटमेंट्स जैसे हाउ डिड, ऐसा कुछ पूछ सकते हैं डिफरेंस कि हाउ डिड the international dependence revolution differ from the new classical counter revolution. तो बेटा इस पे भी I have explained you in detail, इस पे भी हमने वीडियो बनाया हुआ है. This also I have explained you in detail, इस पे भी एक वीडियो लेक्चर है. So you can just go ahead and read those two video lectures 10-15 minutes each and just write the answer. पहले आप उसको explain करोगे, then you will explain this one. ठीक है. One last thing which I think may not come in Devico for eco honor student, but it can come for eco major and minor, that is solo model. Why I am saying so is chances क्यों कम है, because for eco honor student solo model is a very big topic in economic growth, है ना. तो अगर वो ग्रोथ में पूछ लेंगे तो मे बी दे मे नॉट आस्क इन दिस डेवलपमेंट इको इकोनॉमिक्स, बट फॉर अदर स्टूडेंट्स जो हमारे इको मेजर इको माइनर स्टूडेंट्स हैं बीए प्रोग्राम, फॉर देम यस सोलो मॉडल कैन बी डेफिनेटली आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम और आपको ये अच्छे से करना है. यू हैव टू डू दिस वेल, ठीक है. इसके बाद बेटा लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, नेक्स्ट यूनिट, यूनिट नंबर 3. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यूनिट 3 बहुत सिंपल है. सो बेसिकली नर्क से मॉडल पे दे कैन गो हेड एंड राइट दिस ऐसा कुछ देंगे आपको कि रैगनर नर्क से explores how low living standard and insufficient savings create a cycle that impedes economic growth. Elaborate. बेसिकली इसमें आपको पूरा नक्शे का जो हमारा चैप्टर है, यू हैव टू गो अहेड एंड राइट दैट. सो व्हाट दे कैन डू इज दे कैन गिव यू एनी स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द बुक और अ समरी फ्रॉम द बुक की वी फील दैट यू नो नक्शे सेड दिस. ठीक है. देन दे विल आस्क यू इलैबोरेट ऑन इट, एक्सप्लेन दैट. ठीक है. मतलब माने आपको पूरा का पूरा ही चैप्टर यू हैव टू गो अहेड एंड एक्सप्लेन. ठीक है. कुछ भी मतलब आई हैव जस्ट गिवन यू वन काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है. कुछ और स्टेटमेंट भी हो सकता था, लाइक आई कैन गो अहेड एंड आई कैन टेल यू दैट Nurse, suppose I tell you Nurse delves into the dynamics between income level, saving, and capital formation, and how they interplay in economic development. माने आपको economic development, it means you have to give the role of income, saving and capital formation. इन तीनों चीजों का बेटा आपको रोल एक्सप्लेन करना है in अकॉर्डिंग्स विद व्हाट नर्क्से सेड. उन्होंने क्या क्या बोला उसके कंपैरिजन में आपको इस चीज को एक्सप्लेन करना है. सो इफ यू गो टू दिस बुक इट टॉक्स अबाउट न्यू थ्योरी ऑफ सेविंग्स एंड कंजम्पशन एंड कैसे ग्रोइंग अवेयरनेस आई एडवांस लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स के रिलेटेड, राइट, एंड हाउ यू नो सेविंग्स हैव अ रोल टू प्ले. वो उन्होंने टॉपिक दिया ना, इफेक्ट्स ऑन द प्रोपेंसिटी टू सेव. सो दैट पार्ट, हाउ सेविंग्स हैव रोल टू प्ले एंड हाउ इंटरनेशनल इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस आल्सो हैव अ रोल टू प्ले. इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन का क्या रोल होता है वो भी यू हैव टू गो अहेड एंड यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन. सो कहते हैं ना इफेक्ट्स ऑन द बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, वो वाला पार्ट है. हाँ. एंड देन हाउ गवर्नमेंट हैज अ रोल टू प्ले. तो ऑल ऑफ दैट बेटा ये इस चैप्टर का जो समरी है, यू हैव टू गो अहेड एंड राइट दैट इन द आंसर. हर चैप्टर का यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ द समरी, दैट शुड बी इनफ. ठीक है. तो ये हो गया आपका बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम नर्क्से रीडिंग. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, it will be from linkages in economic development. तो linkages in economic development में बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है एक तो कि what are backward and forward linkages. How do they play a role in industrialization and economic development? Simple. ठीक है. थर्ड बेटा, what are consumption linkages? ठीक है. How can fiscal linkage play role in economic development? Beta ये सारा questions we have done this in detail. I have explained separately कि backward और forward linkage क्या होता है. I have explained separately कि consumption linkage क्या होते हैं. I have explained separately fiscal linkages क्या होते हैं. So you need to go ahead and you need to do this very very well. ठीक है. Then what is staple thesis? How are they linked to linkage constellations? ठीक है. And how do the linkages defined by Hirschman play a role in development of a society. माने how is linkage related to society? Elaborate. ठीक है. Okay, let's go to the last chapter, beta, which is from A.K. Amityava Krishna Dutt, Pathways to Economic Development. इसमें बहुत simple question है कि what are the strategies that can be followed for economic development? What are the strategies that can be followed for economic development? इसी में they can also go ahead and they can ask you 5 marks में कि discuss the debate between, यहाँ पे ना वो कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, between dash कर रही हूँ, in the process of development. So when they say discuss the debate between, तो जो भी हमने debates पढ़े हैं बेटा, all of them are in the video lecture. State versus market, ये एक debate है ना? Then you have debate between micro versus macro, है ना? Then you have a debate between primary sector versus the secondary sector, है ना? Then you have a debate between autarky versus openness. ऐसे करके हमने बहुत सारे debates पढ़े हैं ना. So they can go ahead and ask you any of the debate. So again, these are separate video lectures बेटा, and you have to go ahead and you have to do these video lectures. हर video lecture आपको एक debate के लिए for one of the comparison, it is preparing you for one of the comparisons. ठीक है? So just do those debates well. ठीक है? So these are important questions from unit 2 and unit 3. Okay बेटा, thank you.